Hello there, this is Beth from Paul Hubbard Estate Agents, and today I'll be doing a walkthrough video tour of a property which we have coming onto the market, situated in the sought after Kessingland location. Very quiet through road. It's chain free and it's 2 bedrooms. And as you can see, we've got a driveway here, off-road parking just situated to the front, decorative shrub borders, and then a door which opens up into the porch. So you've got a window to side aspect and also the door to the rear opening into the main lounge. Tile flooring, window to front, and a feature electric fire. Door opening into the kitchen. So neutral colours you'll see continue throughout the property. Got space for a washing machine, oven and fridge freezer, and there's also an opening to a good size understairs storage space, which makes that room feel just that little bit bigger as well. And we've got a door opening to the rear lobby and also stairs to the first floor landing. And inside the rear lobby, we've got a cupboard opening to a gas combi boiler, door opening to the bathroom, and then finally for the ground floor, we've also got a door opening to a conservatory, which provides access to the rear garden. So this is a good little addition, as it could be used potentially as a dining area or study room. And then of course access into the rear. So an easily maintained courtyard space, got access all the way through to the front, and also timber garden shed and a timber gate which opens to rear access. It's very, very good sort of storage size, which leads all the way down just to the fence panel to the front there. So that's everything for the ground floor for you. So let's go and take a look up on the first floor. Property is also situated very, very close and walking distance to Kessingland Beach and other local amenities. It's a very, very quaint cottage. So this is bedroom number 2. You've got a door open to a storage cupboard. Carpeted throughout, and also a loft hatch. And then finally we've got the master bedroom. So window to front aspect, carpet throughout again, and then we've also got the additional bonus in here, which not many properties of this size have, door opening to its very own WC. And that is everything. So this is a lovely 2-bedroom property situated down Marketplace, which is Bird's Cottage. It's chain free, and if you'd like to book in for a viewing or you've got any other questions, then please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01502 531 218. Thank you.